Hey guys, in this video, I will teach you how to verify your TikTok shop account. First, log into your TikTok account and go to your profile, which you will find in the lower right corner of the screen. Once you are on your profile page, tap the hamburger menu, three horizontal lines. From there, select Business Suite. Inside Business Suite, click on Business Registration. This is where you will start the verification process. You will need to fill out several details to register your business with TikTok. Make sure all the information you provide is accurate. Don't forget to check the box agreeing to TikTok's terms and conditions before proceeding. Once you have completed the form and entered all the necessary details, click, click Next and move on to the final step. Submit your registration and wait for the review process. TikTok usually takes up to 48 hours to review your application and verify your account. And that's it. You have now learned how to verify your TikTok shop account. Thank you.